In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the SSD not detected problem during Windows installation. I'm creating a full playlist to help you solve common Windows errors, so let's get started. First, you need to download the VMD zip file from my Telegram channel. After downloading, you'll need to extract it. To get the password for the zip file, simply send me a screenshot on Instagram proving you've subscribed to my channel, and I will share the password with you directly. Once extracted, you will see a folder named VMD. Copy this folder and paste it into the sources folder inside your bootable USB drive. Now that the setup is ready, try the Windows installation again. When you reach the partition screen and don't see your drive, follow these steps. First, click on Load Driver or Browse. Second, navigate to your bootable USB drive. Third, open the Sources folder and select the VMD folder you just pasted. Fourth, select the driver labeled VMD Managed Controller. Your laptop or PC will now scan for storage devices. And boom! All your storage devices, whether it's an SSD or a hard disk, will now be visible. You can now select the partition where you want to install Windows and proceed. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment or message me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.